Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13 and in this video I will show you how to rotate screen on this laptop. First open the settings, open the start menu and from here go to settings, then go to system, select display, scroll down and here you'll find the display orientation tab. And you'll be able to choose one of the 4 positions for your display. Click on the one that you like the most, and then you can either keep changes or revert them by clicking one of these 2 buttons respectively. So if I keep changes, I'll be able to change the orientation back by clicking on this option and selecting landscape, and then keep changes again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.